Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. The first step is to navigate to the Fairlight tab in DaVinci Resolve, where your voice recording is located. This is where you'll find the tools needed to clean up your audio. In this guide, I will show you how to remove background noise using the free version of DaVinci Resolve. My voiceover is recorded on audio channel number 1. So I'll start by going to the audio channel 1 mixer. From there, I'll check the plus sign next to effects. Go to Restoration and select Noise Reduction. This effect will help reduce any unwanted background noise, making the voice recording sound clearer and more professional. To further enhance the process, I will enable the Auto Speech Mode option. This feature allows DaVinci Resolve to automatically detect and prioritize speech frequencies while minimizing background noise. That is everything you need to know about how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.